Yeah, Bumanjaya family. Bekasi the Chamis. Whoa! One dream, one bloodline. We rise together, let's go. We come from the base, academy strong. Bekasi lead the way, we carry it on. Chamis branch, we grind all day. No talk too much, we let skills play.
Dari latihan pagi sampai malam, semangat juara selalu kita tanam. Bumanjaya spirit, gak ada tanding. Respect, focus, that's how we win it.
From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy. From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy.
Disiplin di lapangan bukan gaya. It's mindset bukan cuma maya. Coach bilang push harder no fear. Kami jawab yes sir we here.
Some step by step we build that trust. Kerja keras bro itu wajib must. Dari pusat sampai Kabang terasa. Satu keluarga beda kota satu rasa.
Hats up for the team, loyalty first. Never let ego make it worse. Bumanjaya name, we wear it proud. Chamis stand tall, shout it loud.
From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy. From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy. Yeah, Bumanjaya bukan sekadar nama, tapi semangat, kerja keras, dan keluarga. From Bekasi to Chamis, we keep the fire lit. Forever Bumanjaya, legit. From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy. From Bekasi to Chamis, one vision, one team. Kita bangun mimpi, we live that dream. Under one name, Bumanjaya Academy. Unity, respect, that's our legacy. Yeah. Yeah, Bumanjaya family. Bekasi the Chamis. Whoa! One dream, one bloodline. We rise together, let's go. We come from the base, academy strong. Bekasi lead the way, we carry it on. Chamis brand.